Students, this is 168th maths class. In this class, I am going to explain that how to solve, how to determine increasing and decreasing functions. Look at that board, students. On that board, you can see a question. Find the intervals in which the function given by fx is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6 is strictly increasing. Second question, strictly decreasing. Strictly increasing, strictly decreasing. So here I am going to give so one important note, student. So you just remember that note. It is useful to solve a problem of this type. So look at this. For intervals, use sign scheme. So whenever intervals are required, you use sign scheme, students. Sign scheme. For that intervals, you use sign scheme. Now I am going to explain what is that sign scheme is. What that sign scheme is. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವೇನು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So you remember this point. For the intervals, use sign scheme. You mark this point. So somewhere else in your notes. Right? So here is the procedure, students. So right. So whatever it is, f dash x is required. So whatever the question on increasing, decreasing, f dash x is required. Let us find that f dash x. So f dash x is 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4. So first you find out x values. For that, put f dash x equals 0. You make f dash x as 0. So f dash x equals 0 implies 2x minus 4 equals 0. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 2. We got x value. We got only one x value. Now you draw a number line, real number line. So this moves towards minus infinity. This moves towards plus infinity. Number line. A line which contains all the real numbers. Number line. So we got x value. We got a point. You mark this point x is equal to 2 anywhere on the line. Yellow on kade. This is rough discussion. Rough yellow on kade mark madi. Tondre illa. I mark that as x equals to. The point x is equal to 2 dividing full number line into two intervals. E point full number line anna ಎರಡು ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ minus infinity to 2 open intervals. So for strictly always use open intervals. For strictly always use open intervals. For strictly always use open intervals. You always use open intervals strictly. Whether it is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing, you always use open intervals. So, note this point, students. Note this point. From minus infinity to 1 interval, ಮೊದಲನೇ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ one more interval from 2 to infinity. Here I am getting 2 intervals. ಎರಡು ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನನಗೆ ಎರಡು ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು -infinity to 2, one more is 2 to infinity. Now look at this question. You just check. You choose a number from either this interval or this interval. ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇಂದಾದರೂ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇಂದಾದರೂ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. You substitute that number in f dash x. Throughout this increasing decreasing discussion, we use f dash x values only. We use f dash x values only. Remember that. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ I choose 2 after 2 3 x equals 3. X equals 3 belongs to this interval. Put this x equal to 3 in that term. F dash 3. F dash 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 to positive. In that second interval, for this number, I am getting f dash x value as positive. For this number in second interval, f dash x is becoming positive. That means for all the numbers in this second interval, f dash x always becomes positive. ಅದೊಂದು ಜನರಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ 2 ಇಂದ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿವರೆಗೂ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ನಾನು ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್. ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್. ಐ ಚೂಸ್ 4, ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ 4. 4 2s are 8 minus 4 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ or ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್? ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ಸೈನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಅದೇ ಸೈನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಾರಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೂಸಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಐ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಚೂಸಿಂಗ್ 0. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾನು 0 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ at x is equal to 0 is so easy. ನಾನು x is 0 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾನು 0 ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ 0. Right? Because calculation and everything becomes so easy. It is not a rule. You can choose any number. Same thing happens. But I prefer choosing 0. Choose markers, friends. Always 0. So clearly 0 lies between negative and positive, or positive and negative. Where that 0 comes, the number 0 comes in the interval which is from negative to positive. So right, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ 0 must come in this interval. 0 should come in the first interval, that is between -infinity and 2. 0 ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? while crossing from negative to positive, we should be to 0. 0 ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಒಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 0 ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. ಐ ಯೂಸ್ 0, f dash 0. I told you just before why I choose 0 means so calculation and everything becomes easy. That's all. Nothing else. Only that much, right? F dash 0. 0 and everything is 0. -4. negative. So I chosen 0 from minus infinity to 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 0 choose ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ for all the numbers from minus infinity to 2, f dash x becomes negative. F dash x becomes negative. If this interval becomes negative, automatically this becomes positive. It is enough if you find sign of one particular interval. After that, you go on giving alternate signs. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You find out sign of either this interval or this interval. If this becomes negative, you take this as positive. Doubt idre check ಮಾಡಿ. If this becomes positive, you take this as negative. One ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, one ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. Now look at this students. Now I have. So f dash x is negative. F dash x value is negative from in minus infinity to 2. F dash x is negative in the open interval minus infinity to 2. Therefore fx is strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing in minus infinity to 2. Open interval minus infinity to 2. So first concept. So one more. Second one in that. Look at this students. So B, this is A, answer for A. Now let us solve B. From 2 to infinity, f dash x is positive, right? Just look at this, you see this figure and write. By seeing this figure, you write the conclusion, right? In f dash x is strictly greater than 0, positive. In so 2 to infinity. Therefore fx is strictly increasing in so 2 to infinity. That's how students. This is called as solving by using sign scheme. We call that as sign scheme. Let us solve more problems on that. More problems by using sign scheme. Second question is find the intervals in which fx is given by. Let us go for solving one more question. Find the intervals in which fx is given by, the function is given by fx equals 4x cube minus 6x square minus 72x plus 30. 4x cube minus 6x square minus 72x plus 30 is first question strictly increasing, second question strictly decreasing. Same concept students. Let us have same discussion. Solution. You follow that same method. f dash x. Differentiate that. 4 3s are 12x square. 4 3s are 12x square. Minus 6 2s are 12x. Minus 72. So 4 3s are 12x square. Minus 6 2s are 12x. Minus 72. F dash x equals 0 implies So 12x1 minus 12x minus 72 equals 0. So divide by 12. Divide by 12. So x1 minus x minus 6 equals 0. Quadratic equation, factorize this. Quadratic equation, factorize this. 6, 3 2s are 6. Minus plus. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. Right? x1 minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equals 0. Remove common x minus 3 plus 2 common x minus 3. X plus 2 into x minus 3 equals 0. So we are getting 2x values. That implies 1x value minus 2. X plus 2, 0 means x equals minus 2. One more x value, x is equal to 3. Now you use sign scheme, number line. You draw that number line. It's so easy. So write minus infinity plus infinity. Here we are we have got 2x values. We have got 2 points, 2 numbers. How to mark means first you mark a smaller one, then go for bigger. After that go for bigger. That is in ascending order. ಮೊದಲು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. You always follow ascending order to mark the numbers while marking the numbers. First, which number is smaller among these two? Minus 2. First I mark this. X equals to minus 2. One more number, x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Now I am getting 3 intervals. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ 3 intervals ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. First interval is minus infinity to minus 2. Next interval minus 2 to 3. Third interval 3 to infinity. Totally we are getting 3 intervals. Now let us check sign of this f dash x by choosing a number from particular interval. Now let us check sign of this f dash x by choosing a number from any of these intervals. I told you, I always prefer 0. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 0ನೇ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now you check where that in which interval that 0 comes. 0 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 0 ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Here is negative positive. 0 should come between minus 2 and 3. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. Right. Put x equal to 0 in that. F dash 0. If I choose 0, calculation becomes so easy. Less. Calculation becomes very, very less. Very, very less. Right, student? F dash 0. 0, 0. F dash 0. 0, 0. Minus 72. Minus 72. Negative. I chosen 0 in this middle interval. For that I am getting negative. This is a negative. If this is negative, I told you signs should be alternative. ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. From here to here, all numbers f dash x is positive. From here to here, for all the numbers, f dash x value becomes negative. From here to here, for all the numbers, f dash x becomes positive plus e. Now by seeing this sign scheme, by seeing this number line, you write the answer. Right? You write this right in minus infinity to minus 2. minus infinity to minus 2 union ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಎರಡಿದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ minus infinity to minus 2 union 3 to infinity in minus infinity to minus 2 union 3 to infinity. So f dash x is positive. F dash x is positive or you write in any way. So f dash x is positive in so minus infinity to minus 2 union 3 to infinity. In both the intervals f dash x is positive. What do you say now? Strictly or what? Strictly increasing. Therefore fx is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing in minus infinity to minus 2 union 3 to infinity. You write one more answer. Students. You write one more answer. That is f dash x is strictly less than 0. F dash x is strictly less than 0 in minus 2 to 3. Therefore fx is strictly decreasing. So in minus 2 to 3. I hope you understood. So we shall solve some more questions, friends. So let us solve one more question. So simple. So right. Find the intervals in which the function given by fx equals 2x square minus 3x is 2x square minus 3x is strictly increasing, strictly decreasing. Let us solve one more simple question, students. Same method. You solve this also by same method. Method is same. Solution f dash x 4x minus 3. Differentiate that. 2 into differentiation of x square is 2x. 2 is 4x minus 3. For x values 3 into 1. X differentiation of x is 1. So f dash x equals 0. That implies 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies 4x equals 3. X is equal to 3 by 4. Now you use number line, sign scheme. Number line. Minus infinity plus infinity. So here is the number. You mark this number anywhere on the number line. X is equal to 3 by 4. You search for 0, the interval which contains 0. So 0 here always comes between negative and positive. Here is 0. This is the interval which contains 0. Substitute in that. F dash 0. So 0 minus 3. It is minus 3. Negative. So from minus infinity to 3 by 4, it is negative. This is negative. If this becomes negative, this should be positive. Now write the answer. So f dash x is less than 0 in minus infinity to 3 by 4. minus infinity to 3 by 4. So right, what is your conclusion? Therefore, fx is strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing in minus infinity to 3 by 4. Next question. F dash x is strictly greater than 0 in 3 by 4 to infinity. 3 by 4 to infinity. So therefore, 3 by 4 to infinity. Therefore, fx is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. In fx is strictly increasing in 3 by 4 to infinity. I hope you understood these simple concepts very well, students. Let us stop this class, continue in the next class. Thank you.